What specific machining techniques do you anticipate gaining through your post-secondary education, and how do you apply them in real-world manufacturing scenarios?
Well, I have a lot of experience and educational background related to my study. During my post-secondary education, I hope to acquire a broad range of advanced technical ability and machining techniques that will help me to become more proficient in the profession. Let me explain about my study. I have done my Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering in India, and now I am taking the QAMM Quality Assurance Manufacturing and Management course, which is very beneficial for me in the future. And I also want to learn more about 3D printing and CNC machining because I want to be a machinist. Two type of precision machining is quite popular nowadays because this skill require lot of practical knowledge and computer aided design CAD and many software such as Mastercam in order to design programs, and the ability to configure the equipment to produce intricate and precise parts. So after learning these kind of things during my post-secondary education, it will also enhancing my proficiency in quality control and metrology method, which will be my main goal in order to guarantee that items fulfill this strict requirement in the cutthroat competitions, then ensuring the correctness and quality of machines component by employing specific measurement instrument and inspection apparatus. And this will also give me a broad scale set of activity which is unable to meet ever changing needs of machining sector. In addition to improving my employability, this will allow me to make a valuable contribution to cutting edge and creative manufacturing methods. After that, it will also help me to build my technical proficiency, adaptability, and result orientation. Overall, like during my post secondary education, it will be very helpful for me to become a machinist.
What is your previous working experience related to CNC machining in the milling department?
Well, as I earlier said, I did lot of jobs in my own country, and in Canada I am doing my part-time job as a CNC operator and machinist. And in my previous roles, I was employed as a CNC machinist in the milling department, which is quite popular nowadays. And there are many kind of parts which they make. The main task was to produce precision components for automotive industry, meeting quality and tolerance requirements, because it is very beneficial for me because everything is dependent on the drawing which is provided by the customer need lot of things in the parts. So I consistently operated CNC milling machine to produce complex part based on the engineering drawing and specifications. This included setting up machines, selecting appropriate tooling and programming of CNC controls. As a result of these actions, the milling department experienced a notable improvement in production output. The implementation of preventive maintenance contribute to 20% of reduce in machine downtime, enhancing overall operational efficiency. And I also mentioned that during my part-time job, we faced a lot of problems in CNC machine. So I have a lot of experience. So I am able to maintain all these things in a good way, and this is kind of skills also help me to learn more about G code and M code which is used in CNC milling machines. After that, I have also problem skills and try to work with my team members when we face any problem, and our main focus on quality because everything is dependent on quality. We should make a number of products which is sent to every part of this world, so we do not compromise with quality. So by gaining so much experience, I am able to deal with lot of activities and these kind of things.
How do you make effective communication to meet product requirement in your workplace?
Well, communication play important role in every sector because on communication we have to deal with everything at like I want to explain my situation at KPS Machine and Tool, which is situated in Mississauga, Canada, and I am working with most of the department. Like we have to deal with many kind of project, what kind of order we receive, and what is the deadline for making the products and the delivery of the products. And while overseeing a project with a diverse workforce and short deadline for satisfying product requirement, we have a group of 7 people and we arrange the task, and we always look for better plan in order to save time, which will also not helpful to boost the company but also help to maintain the profit percentage of that company. And after that, in organization communication, we made roles and responsibility clear. The introduction of regular status meeting allowed for resolving of issue at real time. When we have any problem at workplace, we try to solve in different ways, and this is also help us to gain lot of experience. And we use different kind of research and analytical abilities to comprehend the needs of product, and we use some kind of strategy to deal with. We always stay updated in order to make the things clear. When we have any problem with any worker or some type of any project work, we always arrange Zoom meetings. Sometimes we make some kind of meetings in person, so we deal with all the question and answer, which is also helpful for me and my company. So I want to work in the future for this company as a machinist, and I also want to run this company at my own pace, so I can do my best. So thank you so much.